So what's up mga kamangmang, panoorin natin to. Ganito pala sila sa Japanese, no? Kung totoo man to, sangat talaga sila sa atin. So please watch this.
This is why the Japanese people are considered among the wisest and greatest nations in the world. You'll be quite surprised by the end. In Japanese schools, the students don't take any exams until they reach grade 4. The Japanese believe that at this age, there are far more important lessons to impart to children than those found on tests. First, there's teaching proper behavior and respect for all people, regardless of their financial status. Second, it's about fostering independence and simultaneously the ability to work in a team. For example,